Hi everyone, thank you for watching. This is Boy Jimenez of the Boy J. Lunao Game Farm. I'm now presenting to you two different combinations and matings to our lemons. No? Ito po, if you want to start right, kung gusto nyo mag-umpisa ng tama, solid foundation, mataas ang winning percentage, at saka good looking, at saka super healthy. All those four factors are present. Okay, I'm holding a Boy J sweater. A Boy J sweater that is only 8 months old. Tingnan nyo yung kanyang mga balanse. Tingnan mo yung feathering. Kita mo talagang typical na sweater. Gawa po namin ito. Aming sariling mating. So itong leg band number nito ng sweater is 1210. Ito po. Yan siya. Yes. 8 months old. Ito po ang 4 pure lemon sweaters that are also 8 to 9 months old. Carbon copy. Pareho lang sila lahat. Like a pea on a pod. They look the same. Genetically and phenotype is the same. The leg band numbers of this is 1210. Sorry, ang broodstag pala na sweater is 1244. Okay? 1244 itong sweater na broodstag. Ang pullets, ang leg band number is 1210, 1224, 1228, and 1235. On the right naman, that's an Oak Grove yellow-legged hatch. Ganun din, the age of the mga early bird banded yan. 8 months old. Ganda din yun i-breed sa lemon. You will come out with a full straight comb family. That's a completo ricados. You have the yellow-legged hatch and you have the pure lemon pullet. Perfect. The leg band number of the pure yellow-legged hatch is 1229. 1229 po. So, ito po yung recommendation ko sa mga beginners na gusto manigurado na hindi nagsasayang ng oras at pera. Mayroon na kayo, pagka nakapalabas kayo nito ng 4 na pullets, nako, makaparami kayo kaagad in such a short period of time. That's the advantage of breeding quadro than a trio or a quinto. For this case, quinto. Mas mabilis kayo magparami. Salamat po. Hopefully, you will listen to my verbalization of the breeding. Kasi I really want to inform all of you what are the best matings from our farm. I cannot say about the other farms. Kami po, yun ang aming recommendation. Salamat po and ingat po tayo lahat.